Hello there, and today we're going to have a look at downloading and installing iobit Uninstaller 13 free, which can help you remove programs from your computer, particularly if you're having problems with Windows' own add remove programs. So if you type in iobit Uninstaller, it's the top link there, iobit.com/advanced installer. If we click onto that page, it will take us through to the official website for iobit, and right on the front page there, we can completely uninstall unwanted software, Windows apps and browser plugins. If you click the green free download button, it should open up another page and then ask you to save the file. So if we click save there, it will download the file. And once it's finished downloading, we can double click on it and it will launch the installer for us. I like how open your file here is down there and it's actually up here. It'll then pop up with user access control, which we're going to click yes on. And the iobit Uninstaller setup window was launched. Now, the things to be really careful of here, they've got extra software bundled in with here, so some antivirus doesn't like it, but it's not necessarily a threat, it's just potentially unwanted. So make sure you uncheck both of those boxes at the bottom before clicking on install. Then they've got another piece of software that they try to bundle with it. Click no thanks and press next so that you only end up installing iobit Uninstaller. It'll then take us through the installation process, which is quite fast, and this will help us remove any programs which we can't uninstall for any reason through add remove programs, or ones where we just want to make sure there's no rubbish left behind. It does ask you to subscribe. There is no subscription necessary, so we can click no thanks on that. And then once you get to the installation complete window, you can leave ticked run iobit Uninstaller now and press finish, which should then launch iobit Uninstaller, which will list all the programs installed on your computer. And you are ready to then use it to uninstall. You can just press the bin next to any one of those to get rid of a piece of software that you no longer need. Hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and we shall see you again shortly. Bye!